止咳糖浆 cough syrup. 止咳糖浆止 The sound is 止 Roll your tongue 止 The voice is you going down in the beginning and then go up at the end. 止 means to stop. 咳 The pronunciation start with k and then your voice going up. 咳 This word is an onomatopoeia word, so you tell me what's the meaning. Let me show you. Guess what? Yes, this word means cough. It's easy, right? 糖 start with t. It's not t, it's t. And then your voice going up. So t, 糖. 浆 start with G and then your voice stay flat. Okay, flat. So 鸡昂浆 糖浆 means syrup. For example, 蜂蜜止咳糖浆蜂蜜止咳糖浆蜂蜜 means honey. Let's say a sentence. 我咳嗽有几天了我需要一瓶止咳糖浆。我咳嗽有几天了，我需要一瓶止咳糖浆。I have been coughing for a few days. I need a cough syrup.